Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Shein app. Keeps lagging. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps lagging on Shein, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Shein. And you can click here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.